Welcome to the 2021 Food for Thought Garden Growing and Garden Matching Initiative. We are a community-based initiative educating and informing beginner gardeners how to grow organic food. We match apartment dwellers who would love to grow their own vegetable garden but have no space to garden with homeowners who have a backyard garden space. By matching together these two communities, especially during these unprecedented modern times, we are able to bring knowledge and experience to the apartment dweller and educate and inform them through a variety of online tutorials and on-site events and workshops on how to grow a nutrient-rich and abundant vegetable garden. And for the homeowner, we provide the opportunity to experience new community relationships and connections, as well as receiving a portion of the food that is grown week to week at harvest time. This garden matching initiative benefits both communities to enjoy the journey of growing and eating organic vegetables. Hi there, my name is Camille Savage, and I am the founder of the Food for Thought Garden Growing and Garden Matching Initiative. I created this project at the beginning of the COVID-19 lockdown in 2020, and my goal at the time was to match 5 brand new novice vegetable gardening apartment dwellers with 5 homeowners, and in the end we were so thrilled to have been able to connect a total of 30 individuals and families together to experience community bonding and provide the know-how and hands-on experience of growing a lush, abundant vegetable garden. And we did this throughout the neighbourhood of Kitsilano right here in Vancouver, BC. By the end of the gardening season, apartment dwellers will have unlocked their green thumb and will emerge from these uncertain times more skilled and more self-sufficient than they could have ever imagined. Homeowners will receive the possibility of a new community friendship, enjoy the visual journey of a growing vegetable garden, and of course delight in the portion of the organic vegetables grown. In this program, apartment dwellers will be taken through a specific step-by-step guided program by James Styler, who is a 16-year veteran urban organic vegetable master gardener, where he'll set you up to win so that you'll have the tools, resources, as well as the ongoing structure and support to be able to create your own nutritious and abundant organic veggie garden that will delight and produce vegetables throughout the entire growing season here on the West Coast. As an apartment dweller, you'll learn the foundational skills needed along with the hands-on experience to empower you to be able to feed yourself and your family for a lifetime. So don't sit back and wait, wish, or even hope things will change or that things will get better quickly. Be a change maker today. Decide that this spring and summer is the perfect time to create a new lifestyle that includes getting outside more often, connecting with the earth, playing an active role in the production of growing and eating organic food that was produced by your very own hands, interacting with and being part of a like-minded and supportive organic garden community, and learning a new and important skill that you can continue to develop year over year. Let 2021 be the year that you support this important local sustainable garden initiative, and let this year be your best year ever. If you are an apartment dweller with no space to garden but you have always dreamed of having your own vegetable garden, or if you are a homeowner with a backyard garden that is being underutilized, we would love to welcome you to our garden matching initiative. If this sounds interesting to you and you are located in the Lower Mainland, there are a few ways to sign up for our program. You can sign up through this landing page by filling out the application questionnaire form or by joining our Facebook or Instagram pages listed at the top and on the bottom of this landing page. We look forward to welcoming you to our program, and here's to nutritious, abundant, and big leafy organic greens.